Well, hey everybody, didn't see you there. Welcome back to another video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite drinks to make at home, golden milk with turmeric. I'm not going to go into all the health benefits of turmeric. I personally take it for blood pressure. I got this recipe from an ex-girlfriend years ago that was big into health and yoga and all that stuff, and I have this on the regular. Pretty cheap to make, pretty quick to make, and it's really, really good for you. So I'm going to show you the recipe and then how to make it, so let's jump into it. So quick little disclaimer, make sure you check in with your doctor, ask them about these ingredients before you begin taking them. All right, on to the ingredients. First, you're gonna need some either almond milk or coconut milk. I prefer unsweetened, where it doesn't have any added sugar, because we will be adding organic honey as one of the ingredients. And I actually really like to grab the vanilla. If you grab one that doesn't have any flavor, I find the drink to just be a little too earthy for my taste. With the vanilla, it adds a lot of flavor. Next is cinnamon, because cinnamon's great for you, and it also adds a good amount of flavor. Then of course we're gonna have some ground turmeric, our main ingredient, some raw unfiltered honey, or any honey that you wish, about 3 slices of peeled and chopped ginger, and then some black pepper, which helps with absorption, and some type of fat, either coconut oil or butter or olive oil, because all 3 of these things, black pepper, olive oil or butter or coconut oil, add to the absorption of turmeric in the body. All right, so we're gonna add 2 cups of almond milk. I'm only making this for myself. This will be a full mug. I have one of these every night before bed. So add 2 cups, 1 heaping teaspoon of turmeric. Be careful because this stuff does stain quite a bit. Next, grab our cinnamon, and I usually add about 3 dashes. Take your 3 pieces of peeled and chopped ginger, throw them in, and then we have our black pepper. And I'm just gonna add, a decent amount of black pepper. I do like the black pepper because it adds a little bit of spice, a little bit of kick to the drink. Okay, next we're gonna add it to our stove and turn it on, low to medium heat. I usually turn it to about a 3, and then grab a spatula and stir it really good for about 2 or 3 minutes. Make sure everything's mixed in really well. Okay, so we're gonna wanna let it heat up for about 10 to 12 minutes. Actually, there's been studies that shown turmeric is more absorbed in the body more efficiently when it's heated up, but usually not longer than 15 minutes. So I just kind of stir it for a few minutes and let it heat up for about 12. Okay, it's been about 12 minutes. I'm gonna turn off the stove. Got it all mixed in pretty good, and I'm just gonna remove those ginger chunks from the mixture. All right, it's smelling good. Wish you could smell it from here, but just take your mug and pour it on in. Like I said, about 2 cups. Gives you a pretty good full mug full. All right, next we're gonna add our fat. Like I said, either olive oil, butter, or coconut oil. I usually switch between, about a tablespoon or so of olive oil or butter. I never really use coconut oil, but any of those 3 fats will work. Then I grab about 1.5 teaspoons of honey and simply start mixing it all together. The honey should mix with everything because it's very hot. It should come off your spoon pretty easy, and I usually stir it for a few minutes. If you add the butter or coconut oil, they'll also melt really well because of the heat that it's currently at. Then all there is left to do is enjoy your drink. Delicious, delicious. Let me know what you think. If you try this recipe, please comment below. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.